Inaabangan na sa Calgary ang all-Filipino theater musical na Little Mermaid. Tampok po rito ang ilang talentadong Filipino-Canadian theater actors and actresses, mga awit at produksyon na pinaghandaan. Panoorin po ang ilang eksena at ang mga nasa likod ng Pinoy musical. Narito ang report.
It's my birthday and up I will go.
Isa lamang ito sa mga magagandang musika na mapapanood sa all-Filipino stage musical na Little Mermaid. Hango sa musical na binuo ng Trumpets Incorporated sa Pilipinas. Mararanasan daw ng audience ang kwento ng kakaibang pag-iibigan ng isang sirena at prinsipe ayon sa direktor na si Stephen Conde.
We dig into the idea of what love really is through the show. So after having watched this musical, specifically for the adults, I think you'll be able to take home with you what love really means and how true love is expressed.
Wake up! Throw the men down! Secure the cannons!
Naging posible ang pagtatanghal nito sa pangunguna ng Flipside Theater Collective, isang grupo ng mga Filipino-Canadian theater artists sa Calgary, Alberta. Ilan nila sa mga aabangan ang eksena sa shipwreck at ang malikhaing paggamit sa mga show puppets.
The puppets really blow everybody away. Yeah, dahil they have a life on their own. Sometimes while watching a rehearsal, like you barely see the puppeteers anymore, and the puppets just really come to life, and you feel like you're transported into a different world.
Puspusa na ang paghahanda ng mga gaganap sa Little Mermaid na mapapanood sa Big Secret Theater ng Workland Center sa Calgary mula July 18 hanggang 26, tulad ni Adriana Valdivia na gaganap bilang Little Mermaid.
There will be some people in the audience, hopefully, that relate to her because she's 16. So hopefully, the way she sees, the way she thinks, they'll be like, oh, I used to be like that, or I am like that.
Layunin nila ng Flipside na mabigyan ng espasyo ang mga Pinoy sa theater production sa Canada at maipakita ang galing ng mga Pilipino.
We really barely see Filipinos on professional stages here in Calgary and maybe even the rest of Alberta. And we also barely see audiences, Filipino-Canadian audiences, coming to support local theater. So gusto po talaga namin na ma-spread yung word about the power of theater in the lives of Filipino Canadians here.
Ang Little Mermaid ang panglima ng production ng Flipside mula nang maitayo ito noong 2024.
It would absolutely help us hype up for the show, and it would be amazing to see our fellow Filipinos in the audience. Really, it would absolutely heal me in a way even.
12 ang nakatakdang performance ng Little Mermaid mula July 18 hanggang 26. Suporta mula sa Filipino community ang kanilang inaasahan upang may pagpatuloy ang adhikain na palakasin ang teatrong Pinoy dito sa Canada.